welcome you to Maths and Physics class. We are here again to solve some questions on algebra. These are just questions that I pick from some of the question papers of some last exams. So we have here an algebraic expression or algebraic equation which says minus 1 all over s plus 3 is equal to 2 all over 5 minus x. How do we go about solving this type of equation to look for the value of x? What we do first is to cross multiply this kind of equation. How do we cross multiply? We are going to take the numerator of this to multiply the denominator of the right hand side, which will become like this: minus 1 multiplying 5 minus x. Then we introduce the equality sign. Then we also take the numerator of the right hand side to multiply the denominator of the left hand side, which will now become 2 multiplying x plus 3. This is cross multiplication, and we just succeeded in multiplying the numerator and the denominator, then the numerator of this denominator, making the equation a straight equation, no longer a fraction. So what we do after this is to open the bracket. By opening the bracket will mean you use the number or the unknown, whatsoever it is that is outside the bracket, to multiply every 10 inside the bracket. On the left hand side we have minus 1 outside the bracket. It will now become minus 1 times plus 5. Minus times plus is minus. 1 times 5 is 5. Then minus times minus is plus. 1 times x becomes x. 1 times x, that is 1x. We introduce the equality sign. Then we have 2 outside the bracket here. What you do is to use the 2 to multiply every 10 inside. This is plus 2. There is no sign at the front. It means it is plus, it is positive. This is also positive. Positive and positive will give us positive, so there is no need to write it. Then we have 2 times x, it becomes 2x. 2 times 3, it becomes plus 6. 2 times 3, 6. Now we have opened the bracket. The next thing we are going to do is to collect like terms. You collect like terms. The like terms here, you have the ordinary numbers and you have the terms that are with x, the ordinary number and the s terms. So let us take the s to the right hand side and bring the ordinary number to the left hand side, or take the ordinary number to the right hand side and bring the or the s to the left hand side. No matter how you do it, as far as you follow the rules of algebraic expression and algebraic solving, you are going to have the same answer. So let us have all our unknown, that is all the terms with s, to the left hand side, and we take the ordinary number to the right hand side. It now becomes x. We have x here, that is plus x. We are bringing plus 2s to this side. Plus 2s crossing the equality sign becomes minus 2x, equal to, we introduce. Then we already have 6 on this side, that is plus 6. We introduce it down. Then this is minus 5. If it crosses the equality sign to meet 6 on the other side, becomes plus 5. Look at the manipulation. These are algebraic rules in solving equations that are algebraic equations. What we do is minus we change to plus once it crosses the equality sign, and plus we change to minus, which has happened in these two movements of numbers or terms. Now minus 5 is going to the other side to become plus 5, and plus 2s is coming to this side to become minus 2s. So we have arranged the numbers and the terms with the unknown variable. In this, we are saying we have collected the like terms, because this is x and this also having s term. This ordinary number, this ordinary number. So what do we do at this stage? Let's react the terms, because they are like terms, they can be reacted. Now we have 1x minus 2x. It becomes minus x, because this is just like 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So that's why you have minus 1x. This is 1 minus 2 minus 1x. 1x minus 2x minus 1x. So this one becomes 6 plus 5, 11. Remember, we are looking for x. We are not looking for minus x. So what do we do to make sure that we have x remaining here? Two ways you can do it. Either you multiply both sides with minus so that this side will become plus, and this side will become minus in that case. Or you divide both sides with minus. Whatever way you are going to do it, as far as you eliminate this minus, the equation or the solution is still right. So let us choose one by multiplying both sides by -1 or dividing both sides by -1. So what we are going to do is to divide both sides by -1. So we have minus x divided by -1, because this is -1. Remember, this is -1x. So you can divide both sides. So it is not necessary you write 1, because you already know that how many x we have here? 1. That is 1x. So it is not necessary that you write 1 at the back of this x. No, it doesn't matter. So you will know that there is -1 there. So if you divide both sides by -1, it becomes the right solution for you, -1. So we are dividing both sides by -1. The reason we are doing that is to make sure that this minus and this negative, they eliminate each other. So s over 1 becomes x. And 11 divided by -1 becomes -11. So that one makes the solution become x is equal to -11. So that is all we're going to take for this. Just continue to practice maths and you'll become perfect. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to comment, to like, and to share this video for others to benefit. And if you do, you are also going to get our videos first whenever we upload them. Remember to share this video for us to have good outcome of this. Thank you.